Interested in a 2010 Nissan Maxima? Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a solid 6-cylinder engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, a CD stacker, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.